Is he cold? Is that
Yeah,
what it
he's
is?
cold, yeah.
Is it a baby bird?
I think so. I think he was
You think he was just like left alone?
shoved out of the nest, I'm sure.
Would it be crazy to put him in a box right now and take him home with me?
Well, probably
Do
so.
they carry diseases and
I
stuff?
don't think they carry diseases, but he may not survive. He's been eating something though, huh?
Well, he's a baby, so he's raw. Oh, I
Yeah,
felt
he's
bad
just
for
he's just
him.
a baby. He's like, man, y'all let me sleep. I'm cold. I'm tired.
He's breathing really heavy though.
He's like, will you leave me alone?
Aw.
He's like, are you my mama? No, I'm sorry, I'm not your mom. Look.
Is that a wren? I think that's a wren bird, actually.
Really?
Is he hurt? Oh my gosh, he's so little. I wonder if his wing is hurt. Yeah, he must be hurt.
No, he's trying to fly. He's learning how to fly.
Is that a baby?
Yeah, that's a baby.